Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining here at Unapologetically Progressive. Once again, I am back with another video, and this time we're going to continue talking about SNAP benefits. Now, on Friday, Donald Trump was ordered by two federal judges to provide SNAP benefits to the 42 million Americans that rely on that program. They gave him the choice to either partially or fully fund it. He decided on Monday that he would partially fund it with the $5.5 billion. They also told him that he could access $28 billion in funds, which would allow them to fund the food stamp program through January of next year. Now, Donald Trump said it would be irresponsible to tap that $28 billion and that he would only use the contingency funds. And so they were going to partially fund it. That's what the Trump administration announced on Monday. The administration has basically announced now through Donald Trump himself over on Truth Social that he's not going to cover any of it. He's not going to even partially cover it as he was told by the judges to do. And why did the judges say that they were ordering him to do this? Because he was not only legally allowed to touch the contingency funds and these other funds, he was legally obligated by law to provide these funds to the SNAP program for SNAP beneficiaries. And today he's decided he is above the law, that he is an autocrat, that he's an absolute ruler that can do whatever he wants, however he wants, whenever he wants. And that is not how the presidency is supposed to work in the United States of America. Those funds had already been allocated by Congress for this exact kind of situation. He doesn't get to dictate where those funds go. Congress has already decided. So I don't see where he gets off believing that he can shut down funding of something when he's not legally allowed to. The keepers of the purse are Congress. Read the Constitution, people. They are the ones that get to decide these things. And they have already decided that there would be a contingency fund to fund SNAP benefits in the case of a government shutdown. It's roughly $5.5 billion. After administrative costs, it's roughly $5 billion that they could use to at least partially fund the program. And right here at the holidays, Donald Trump has decided he is not going to do that. Donald Trump has decided that he is above the law, that he is an absolute ruler, and that he doesn't have to feed American people. Think about that. Those of you that are voting right now, if you come across this video and you're still in line voting, or you're on your way to vote, keep it in mind that Donald Trump is choosing not to feed American people. That Donald Trump believes he is above the law. That Donald Trump believes he is an absolute ruler. Got some sad news for you, Donald Trump. You are no absolute ruler. You are no king. You are a freaking child who's doing nothing but having a tantrum for your presidency. Because people weren't nice to you the first time. People didn't vote for you the next time. People wanted to hold you accountable for sending those people to overthrow our government on January 6th. You may think you're a king, but you're just a child.